Okay guys, welcome back. I was making the helium video. I don't know if you watched it, but take a look at it. I'll do an update on what happened, but first I'm gonna talk about Tesla, because while I was doing the other video I kind of left Tesla on the side and look at what happened. All of a sudden Tesla looked like it was recovering very well. It was about to reach the 440 level, and all of a sudden I start a downtrend that, look at this, it's so it continues going down. Oh, so archy. It's a bit like a parable if you think about it, and it could continue a little bit more. It all depends on this, and as you can see, the distance actually just got bigger. So the distance between the signal and the MACD, it's shown here. It's these rectangles, and the last one is bigger, which means it's going to open, it's going to separate more, meaning that it has more down momentum. So what's this? Is this bad, or is this a new opportunity for what we wasted before? If you check my two previous videos, yeah, this was actually something for us, an opportunity, because we missed the opening opportunity to buy Tesla. Look, we could have bought it at 422, and we tried. I tried to do it, but I just didn't manage. And if this continues going down, we'll be able to get it at those prices, except now that I just see there's a turn in trend, and that might be it. So I'm gonna buy quickly a few Tesla shares. Do I have anything here? I don't have any budget, but I just canceled another order. So let's see if we can buy two at 427. I'll set it. No, not enough money. Okay, so let's cancel orders here. I just canceled a big order, so it's very annoying when that happens. And all the other order I see is slack. Okay, we'll do. That's our biggest order was here, 900. Normally that should give us enough budget to be able to buy Tesla, and it works now. But before I cancel a very big one, but it just seems to be such a negative day that it got absorbed by the debts, let's say. So it shows many of 427, but it's a problem with the system. It says 448, but we're at 428. We're in recovery time, so let's put 428. Normally I can see the range, but my system is not working properly. I see the range, 428, and shall we put 33? 33 or 50? We'll do, oh look, 33 would have gone through normally, so we'll see. We'll see if we go through, and we'll do 25 to round it up if it didn't go through. 75 probably. We were too late to the party. I'm gonna check the real number. Oh, we're at 28. Okay. So now, at this time, we normally have a new hype through the day. So let's finish this and see. I put 75, which normally, oh, it just went up more. Come on. At the end, we'll have to put 429. That's it. We sell it. We buy it, sorry. And we bought it. There we go. You see, 2 shares of Tesla. And next thing we're going to do is check the portfolio for this hype. And I'm going to show you later HYLION, what's happening with HYLION, because it's very interesting. If you check my 2 previous videos, in my previous video I was saying, oh my God, it doesn't look so good at the moment, but if it goes above the top highs, if it crosses through, it might be a good moment to buy. And that's what happened actually. We'll see it in a minute. But look at this, Wardion, look at that, Wardion 19% up. And that's, I have to check that one out because I'm trying to sell it slowly at a small loss. And I put an order, Wardion, and I think it went through Wardion. Okay, so if that went through, we could try to sell it another block, sell, and the last one I sold it. I think what I'm doing is 945 divided by 5. I'll do 190 and we'll sell at 0.28 because I think the previous one I sold it at 0.26 or 7, but it's when you're talking about such small margins, percentual numbers, 0.01, that represents 4%. So Wardion, okay, it was 0.26, I see, 0.26. So now we could sell at 0.27. Let's put 0.28 because the system is not updating and it might be that we're already at that level. And the only way to know would be to do Wardion here and we can check exactly in real time live the stock. And oh, it looks like it went down. Okay. Since my portfolio system, it's delayed 15 minutes for some stocks, like the less important stocks. Look, now I can say this is going down. I cannot even believe that we sold it at 0.26 because I don't know what point that happened, but that, okay. We even reached 0.27, so we missed that opportunity. So what I'll do, instead, I'm gonna, oh, did I set already an order? Sorry about this, guys. I set it, okay, so we're gonna delete it. And what we'll do is sell the rest since I sold everything at a loss already. So the remaining shares, I'm just gonna do until execution, good till cancel, 945, sorry, 0.29, okay? So eventually I'll recover the loss at one point when this goes through. Okay, so if we check portfolio again, we forget about the first one, it's not updated. Second one, we're still at a loss and it's only 5%. If it would have been 9, 10%, I would sell some, but we're only left with 200. So eventually this will have to sell off automatically. Diamondback Energy is up, but we are still at a huge loss. Brunswick is only one share at a loss, one share. And so basically there's nothing really that we can recover, any losses that we can recover. FedEx is there not doing enough. And we'll sell automatically at 5% profit whenever we reach that. Xeon, I think, is no longer in the market, so we lost that. That's lost. And HYLION, that's it. We have HYLION here, and it says it's a profit, but I doubt it's true. So let's go back to HYLION and check out the situation at the moment. Look, what I was saying before is that we set two lines that show the boundaries of the high peaks of today and the lows, and I eliminated this area because that was the initial hype and I didn't want that to interfere with the most closer reality. But at the moment, look, we're starting to get a 200 moving average. Okay, it's being created now, and so I suppose, if I understand correctly, I thought 200 moving average was based on the 200 last trading days, but it might be the 200 last trading points, and since we're going by minutes, it's going to be the last 200 minutes. So this is the last 50 minutes, the last 5 minutes, and the last 30 minutes. So as you can see, right now we're still below the 200 moving average, but it's trying to get cross it. If that happens, we're going to be in an uptrend. We reached at one point minus 14% with HYLION, and now I don't know, it looks like it wants to recover. It looks like it's getting better. It might be probably a good moment to buy some shares. So if this continues, but this is just in my opinion, I'm gonna see if I can buy some since I'm already at a loss, and because I bought them at 49, and that's gonna help even out the loss. Now it's like it doesn't know if it's going up or down, and I think we'll try to make an offer and see if we can gain a bit. I mean, 40 we could do, or 40.35. Let's see, in the next wave down it would be okay. Look at that. Oof, 40. It could have been 40. Okay, we can do something in between 40.20. So let's see, HYLION, we click on it, right click, holding the shift key or the control key. It depends on what computer you have. And if we buy, since we have 12, it would be good to buy 6 at least. And at 40.20, I'll do 30 because I see it was going up. And we can even do a bit more. I thought my budget was not going to allow us to buy so many. That's the case. 8. No. So we'll do 7. 7. You allow us to buy 7? Yeah, 7 went through. So we're left with no budget. Don't worry, we still have plenty of liquidity to buy other things because we have many pre-orders set that didn't go through. As we cancel them, all this buy, we have this liquidity. It's not too much. I mean, mostly it's Tesla shares that we'll buy, and we reserve those so that we can buy Tesla whenever there's a chance, an opportunity, and we'll go back to Tesla and we see we're getting close to our target, and there you go. 426. I'm sure we bought some now because I thought it was 427. Look, oh my God, 426. Let's filter this Tesla because I see it's falling a lot more. So buy at 425. So the ones at 427 went through. This one we can lower it a little bit more. So it's 425.50 divided by 0.05%. That's going to be 423.50. I'm doing that because I just bought at 427 and I want to lower this one. Normally now it's correct, 423, because we're buying 3 shares. I want it lower. And then we'll buy 4, and now it's all mixed up here, so we could eventually put things in order, but I'll do that offline, off camera, sorry. Let's check the transactions and we'll see if Tesla went through. Just to confirm, we bought some. And while this is loading, we can check how it's falling, and we continue. We're in a down, then we went up, and now we're starting to have another down. So the up one lasted 10 minutes, not even, and the one down lasts 20 minutes. 20 minutes, then 10 minutes, and now it looks like it wants to turn around. Look, I see a first change in color. That's a good sign for recovery, especially because we're getting very far away from the 200 moving average. But if we get into this area, okay, as we just said, at 23.50, we're going to start buying 3, and if we get a bit lower, we're buying 4, 5, and 6, which we had set up already. So yeah, Tesla we bought at 428. Oh my God, 428. I thought it was 427. Actually, it's 429. Okay, we bought it. It's done. That's it. Okay. Well, guys, I think there's a good moment to wrap up, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, all this is in my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. Thanks for watching. Bye.